Now, we're celebrating our 12th anniversary here in Jojo Bragais.
7 ang coronation sa Bangkok.
Bangkok.
And yes, continue ko lang yung ginagawa ko before, bago mag-Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Hindi ko naman pressure yung sarili ko, pero yet, para naman sa Philippines, yan, gagawin ko yung lahat to improve. Yan, nababasa ko naman yung mga comments nila. So yes, yung binibigay nila sa akin na help, for sure, i-give back ko sa mga tao yun.
Okay, ito.
I believe it is very important. You know what guys, nung high school pa lang ako, I knew a lot of girls or trans na gumagamit ng heels like Jojo Bragais. At saka matagal na din sa industry si Jojo Bragais. And I believe Jojo Bragais shoes has a great potential, not just in the Philippines but internationally. So aside for its good quality products, yung leathers and yung height enhancement, I believe it is best talaga na makilala siya internationally. And you know, to support our local businessmen, artisans like Sir Jojo, and of course the workers of Jojo Bragais. Yeah. Thank you so much.
And just to share also, our factory